guys, it's Bren from Kindred Acres, and we've got some beautiful rhubarb. And so this root ball's been in, this is its second year. So the first year we didn't harvest anything from it. When you plant rhubarb the first year, you really don't want to harvest anything. You just want to kind of let the plant do its thing. The second year, you'll notice that it's much more full and lush. You still only want to harvest 1 to 2 stalks the second year. The third year, you'll be able to harvest a lot more. So we're here on our second year. We're going to pull this back and we're going to look for the most mature ones, which is of course going to be this one here. And you don't want to cut the rhubarb to harvest. You kind of want to pull, and you really got to work it. Give it a twist and a pull. That's one. I'm just going to set that down, and then it looks like, I'm going to say this one here. I think this one's going to be a little bit more mature than the other one here. So I'm going to go for this one here, and I'm just going to pull that. We do see one back there that kind of withered away. I'll go ahead and just pull that off there just to kind of help the plant out and give it room. So we got a couple back there. We're just going to leave it there to compost down on its own. And that's it. Now we're going to leave the rest and we're going to let that go for the rest of the year. We're not going to harvest anything else. Next year, we will be able to harvest a lot more. And, you know, in about year 4 or even year 5, that's when you can divide your root ball into 4 sections, and that way you can get 4 new plants. So for right now, we're in year 2. We just harvested these 2 beautiful stalks. Not enough to make a pie with, but certainly enough to make some rhubarb lemonade or something delicious. Maybe some rhubarb strawberry jam, 1 little jar of it. So yeah, we'll definitely put them to use. Now remember, the leaves are not edible, so make sure you cut those off. You can still put them in your compost, or you can use them to infuse in vinegar. They are very high in oxalate, and so it actually acts as like a natural cleaning agent, and it shines chrome really nicely, so you can actually use those for cleaning. If you ever heard of the cleaner Barkeeper's Friend, that is based on oxalic acid, so it's the same compound that's in rhubarb leaves. So you could just extract it using vinegar and have a nice cleaner there for you. So that's it. Thanks for checking us out. Just wanted to share with you our year 2 rhubarb. And we started out with just this one plant we were gifted from a friend. So anxious to be able to get to the point to divide it, and it's doing really well. And that's it. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day with lots of love, Kindred Acres.